Well, we're home again now from the swap meet. Nothing there really to see or buy. I almost bought a old vintage flywheel type stationary engine. It was $300, but I didn't in the end. So I've got these villiers ready to fire up. There's a couple of things to do, and yeah, I've got the starter rope ready to go. I've just got to grab a peg to hold that on, and we'll see how it goes. Provided the moisture from lately hasn't got into the points case. It does leak a little bit of fuel because the seals are very old and I haven't done any restoration work on it apart from cleaning the points in the car. Turned the fuel on and it hasn't got the correct float bowl on it, so it does leak. But that should be right to start up now. Maybe the ring on the bottom's a bit shot. Alright, let's give her a hit. And off it goes. I haven't got the governor hooked up properly either, so just sort of got to hold the idle. But it runs quite nicely. It's running well as it can anyway. It's quite old, so it's never been rebuilt. Just letting the carby run out of fuel. It does need a stand to be bolted down too, but yeah, just happily buzzes along. And a bit more of a look around. When I found this, it was completely seized. It was in the scrap metal pile at the tip, and unfortunately got hit by the front end loader across there, so it's got a big mark across it. But the only reason it was seized, there's a heap of mud and dirt and shit between the flywheel and the crankcase, but that was running for a good few minutes and yeah, it barely even gets warm. It's fairly well made. They were designed to last when this was made. I'm not sure what year it is though, if anyone can tell me how to find out. What's the serial number? 116A/30990A, but I'd be guessing it maybe 1950s, early 1960s. Yeah. Thanks for watching.